So another way we can control our Simrad RECON trolling motor is through MFD integration. So this unit is compatible with the NSS4, NSS3 Evo 3S, NSO Evo 3S, NSX, and NSX Ultra Wide. Please note that your units should be on the latest software, both RECON and your MFD, to ensure smooth operation. So once we connect our RECON trolling motor into our NMEA system, as a reminder, the T is included in the box. We will power up both the RECON trolling motor and our MFD. Once we're on the screen of the MFD, you'll notice that we do have a trolling icon on the quick access bar. If I select that, this will open up the bar. You'll also notice a pop-out feature which gives us the ability to move this around the chart. And then we can also press that to put it back within the quick access panel. You'll notice we do have the manual functionality. I can anchor, course lock, or heading lock, or we can simply press our anchor functionality here and also jog. So if we go back into our manual standpoint, I can turn the motor left or right, and we'll notice that this will also match that of the free steer remote. So you'll notice as I turn with the free steer, the motor will also match that on the chart. If we wanted to go to an area, let's say I'm trying to get to this spot further down on the map itself, I'll simply select on the map, go to, and it'll change it from a manual standpoint to navigation. Now the one thing you'll notice is where our prop speed sits. I can increase that in case I'd like to get there quicker, or we can decrease the speed depending on if we're trolling and trying to keep a steady, slow speed. Once we're there, it'll actually hold us within an anchoring standpoint, or if we want to bypass and go ahead and quit, go ahead and turn the prop off.